Looking for a new apartment? Let's face it, there are a lot of apartment communities that claim to offer excellent customer service and world-class amenities. At HHHunt, we believe it's how you live that matters, and for over 50 years, we have been building apartment communities in the Southeast. We believe they raise the bar when it comes to apartment living lifestyle. That is why we want to take this opportunity to share what renters want in an apartment community. 24/7 on-site maintenance. Sometimes things in an apartment home can break and need repairs. HHHunt offers 24/7 on-site maintenance at every apartment home community. Our maintenance teams are HHHunt employees who are dedicated to assisting residents at a moment's notice. That means our residents can rest easy if anything does go wrong. Washers and dryers. We know your time is precious and it can be spent in better places than an off-site laundromat. That is why we offer apartment homes with in-unit washing machines and dryers, so you can wash laundry whenever you want to. Our energy-efficient washers and dryers save time and money and give you more time to do the things you love. Pet-friendly. At HHHunt, we understand that pets are part of the family, so all of our communities are pet-friendly, with no breed or size restrictions. We also offer a variety of pet amenities, including bark parks, agility equipment, or walking trails for dogs who love to take long walks. Peace of mind. Peace of mind is one of the most important things renters are looking for when searching for a new apartment home. HHHunt offers its new smart home technology package in all our apartment homes. Residents can adjust the temperature of their home when they are within proximity of their apartment using app-based geofencing. No time spent changing settings after you walk in the door. Everything is perfect from the moment you enter. Our smart home technology package also includes keyless entry systems. This is great for when you forget to lock your door. Location, location, location. Finding the best place to live is about more than just the apartment and amenities. Location matters. As seen in the Washington Post, Gen Z renters put location high on their list when considering an apartment. This is a recurring deciding factor amongst all generations of renters. Plus, easy access to major roads and highways is also important. Location and connectivity can be the difference between sitting in traffic or having more time to focus on the things you want to do. HHHunt carefully selects where we build apartments for rent. All HHHunt apartment living communities are located with convenience and accessibility in mind. At HHHunt, we believe it's how you live that matters. That includes making sure you have all the information you need to make a good decision when it comes to finding an apartment. For more information, visit HHHunt apartmentliving.com.